stupid video. Stop! Beer, it makes you burp. Still filming. Let me see. Full of burps. Turn it off really quick.
Rely on myself. I can't rely on my burp.
How am I supposed to burp? Wait, did I? You made me laugh too hard.
What are you doing?
Burping. Still. This is the burping song. Keep on doing it, Brad. This is Fingy and
It must be Bunsen. It'd be Bups then.
Are we tripping over the video? I'm weird. I just got an idea.
Ain't that some?
Like this. Do it.
I have one. Thank you, Father, for telling me I have one. Thank you. Now I have one.
This is my Ruby. This is called the spin burp cycle.
One, let's count. Sing along song count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't. Now I can. Will, film this.
What is that?
Bar. I barfed.
That's funny. Brad took a big barf on his table. It mushy. Swim in it.
Wait, this is the coolest.
Oh,
Something.
look.
Oh.
Isn't that cool? Clean your barf up.
That's my bar.
Hey, film it again.
You idiot.
Gonna go, move your hand. The end. He barfed.
But this do-it-yourself superhero could take on Martha Stewart every day of the week. Sidetrack made from concentrated flatulence and collected it while you were slipping.
That was just for a laugh, okay?